The mind is the creator, and mind is the one who experiences, and the mind who is the sufferer. But the mind is working at two levels. Mind is working at which levels? Two levels. One is the conscious mind, which constitute only 4%. And the 96% is called subconscious. Belief is not at the conscious level. Belief is programmed at the subconscious level. And when I say तुम चाहते क्या हो, consciously you say मैं ये चाहता हूं. But I have observed, and it is my practical experiences with many of the sadhak, at the initial stages, consciously they say ये मैं चाहता हूं, but subconsciously they speak opposite to that. किसी को मैं बोलता हूं तुम हीलिंग करना, ठीक है, हीलिंग करता. But I, like on the ultrasound machine, I was showing the group of doctors, they were there. And to 3 patients, those who were there, the meditation was going on, I was helping and guiding, and the results were excellent. But in one case, the results were coming, but I stopped. I said, I will not do it. They said, how come? Like Ishan says, Baba is crazy. Because he will, to some person, if he says, I have a problem, he'll say, come, I'll help you. And another person who say, I have a problem, Baba say, okay, go to that consultant. And so I don't know, he is moody, but it is not that. The thing is, there is a subconscious and conscious. Consciously he is saying, I want to be cured, and subconsciously he is saying, I don't want to be cured. So I was asked in US, why? You're not, you want to help the other people, and in her case you are not. I said, because she is refusing. I said, how come? Because energy, no one can see energy. If I say, oh, that person, his energy is like this, now it is up to you whether you believe or you don't believe. Or I may, because I am Baba, so I can force you to believe it. But the thing is, I must show it to you. What does it mean? If your perception is you cannot perceive, I must translate it into your perception. That is the real communication. Communication is not what I am understanding or what I am seeing. Communication is, I must make you understand and experience. That's what my Guru said. That when you will do sadhana, you will have many experiences. But when you have experiences, do not tell others that this happens. You will become worthy of telling others when you can make them experience what you have experienced. Then is the real communication has happened. Otherwise, it is not there. So I started talking with the lady, and it was long, because to extract the truth, it is a little tricky, you know. We all are intellectuals. We talk the language. I say, you will do that? Maybe. No, maybe, I don't know. Yes or no? It is maybe. In US, they say maybe. They are trained that way. So, finally, I was talking to her, but slowly I was taking into the deep sadhana level. So as she dipped into the subconscious, she said, I don't want to get cured. Because till the time I was healthy, My husband used to complain about my cooking. And now, as I am sick, he is very caring. And he says, "You don't cook." So my sickness is better. And if anybody makes me become all right, he'll be my enemy. This is what I'm saying, that desire, if you ask the desire, she'll say, "I want to be all right." But I'm not saying desire, I'm talking about seeking. So seeking means the desire at the conscious, subconscious mind level, and the desire at subconscious mind level. Because at that level, if you are going to the subconscious level, then there are so many people there going to fight, and they are your negative belief system. They are your agreement contracts with your consciousness.